This is just a quick little update. I ordered these Z71 off-road stickers a couple days ago. Got them put on the truck. I got a lot of air bubbles on. You can't tell at all unless you like hit like in this way. I got some air bubbles on this one. This is the second one I did. Black on silver. Over here is really good. Just a quick update on the truck. That's good. I used my friend that has a Z71, their truck, to position it. They look like we're in about the same spot. Right there. Car coming, I gotta go. Off where the car's coming. Gotta go. See like a little end of, like, it's hard to hear exhaust inside trucks when you're driving. I don't know why, but like mine, it's hard to hear inside. I'm whining bros here, just give me a second. But yeah, I got the Z71 stickers on. Got them for $12. Black on like silver. And they're pretty nice. Boom. Don't really think gas. Yeah, that was just like a quick little update vid. So pretty soon here I'm going to be getting either my front skid plates, which I haven't told you guys about, or spacers. Well, there's one other thing I was going to do. I can't remember. I don't remember what it was. It was really cool though. Yeah, just comment on whether I should get spacers first or a skid plate in the front. I'm planning on getting 2-inch spacers if I do. I know they're bad for off-roading, blah 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 blah, but I'm just gonna have them on here until I get a lift, until I get my lift, which is probably gonna be like 4 months. So just comment and tell me what you guys think I should do first.